What's up, guys? My name's Evan. I like bikes, and I'm going to do a bike check on my 22-inch S&M MadDog. Start up top here. Hoder grips, S&M bar ends, Shimano disc brake lever. Got the S&M Rambler bars. 8.5-inch rise, good sweep, not too big, not too small. Made in the USA. Fit Van Homan stem. Working our way down the line. Fit 22-inch fork. I believe that's a takeoff of a complete 22. Picked that up from Albies. Thanks, guys. Front wheel. Best in the business. Profile Elites. Alienation 22-inch front rim. They say they're tubeless. Haven't tried that yet. S&M mainline tires. Moving back. The Eclat combo. We got black leather. Keeping it classy. Odyssey seat clamp. The sick graphic for MadDog molar. Deity pedals. I believe they're 170 Cult cranks with the Odyssey sprocket and a Shadow half link. Never can go wrong with that. Back again, Profile Elite with the bolt-on disc brake. Love that. Running a 30-10 gear ratio. Give you a little extra boost. Get that good little clip for y'all. Legendary hubs, legendary hubs. And we'll bring it around town. You can check out the Shimano brake and the box rotor. I believe it's a 140 millimeter rotor. Just enough stopping power. S&M 22-inch Chris MadDog molar frame. Thanks for watching, guys.